Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create designs with curved text in Cricut Design Space. I will go ahead and start with the tutorial, but before I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing the notification bell. First, I will show you how to create curved text, and then I will show you how to create these Barvie Inspired Designs with curved text. Click on the shapes and insert a circle. Resize it. Now let's insert the text that we need to curve. Now to change the font, go to Font. If you pay the membership, click on Cricut. If you don't pay the membership, click on System, and there you're going to see the list of the fonts that you have downloaded to your computer. Pick the one of your liking and start typing. Now this is the text that I need to curve. Select it and click on Curve. Now here, drag the dot to the left or to the right until you get the desired curve. In this case, I'm going to go around the circle. If it's too small, resize it to fit around the circle. Now select the text, go to Operations and change the color. And there it is. This is outside the circle. Now you can also put it inside the circle if you wish. Just resize it and place it inside the circle. Once in place, you may rotate it if you wish. I'm going to select the text inside and I'm going to change the color. Now this is if you wish to create text inside or around a circle. If you wish to create a half curve, insert the text, go to Curve, drag it to the right if you wish the curve to go on top, or to the left if you wish the curve to go to the bottom. If the letter have too much space in between, click on Letter Space and adjust it to your liking. And there it is. I'm going to click on Operation and change the color. I'm going to create another curved text. This one is going to go on the top. Select the text, click on Curve, and drag the dot to the right. Change the color if you wish. As you can see, it's very easy to create curved text in Cricut Design Space. With this technique, you will be able to create beautiful designs in Cricut Design Space. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a design using curved text. I'm going to show you how to create this Barbie Inspired Design. And don't worry, it's very easy. We're going to start by inserting a circle. Resize it. Next, click on Offset. We're going to add an offset. I'm going to drag the dot to the right, but this is going to be a very thin offset. When ready, click Apply. Now select both layers and click on Slice. I'm going to erase the center layers. I'm going to use the ring only. Select it and duplicate it. Resize it and place it in the center. Now select both layers, click on Align and align to the center. Now click on Group. Then go to Operation and change the color. I'm going to select Barbie Pink. Now I'm going to insert text. This is going to be a Barbie Inspired Design. I'm going to link the Barbie font in the video description below. Select it, go to Font and change the font. The font that I'm going to be using is called Dolly Script. select the text, go to Combine, and click on Weld. Now still selected, go to Offset, and we're going to add a thick offset. Now select the offset, go to Operation, and change the color. Also, I'm going to select the text and I'm going to change the color to white. Now I'm going to add the curved text. I'm going to go to Font and I'm going to change the font. I'm going to select a thick font. I think this one is called Franklin Gothic. Select the text, click on Curve, and curve it to your liking. Drag the dot to the right if you wish the curve to go on the top. And there it is. Now I'm going to add more curved text on the bottom. Select the text, go to Curve. This time you're going to drag the dot to the left. Now go to Letter Space and adjust the letter spacing. I'm going to make the curved text a little smaller. I'm going to go back to Curve and I'm going to adjust the curve. Now I'm going to change the color of the curved text. Everything in this design is going to be Barbie pink. You may leave it like that, or you can keep on adding more details. I'm going to place some flowers on the bottom. I'm going to select this flower and I'm going to add an offset. When finished, I'm going to duplicate it and resize it and place a few of these same flowers on the bottom. And there it is. I think it turned out beautiful. And as you can see, it was very easy to create it. Remember, I'm going to link to Barbie font in the video description below. Also, I invite you to visit my blog for more free Barbie designs for Cricut and sublimation. Find the link in the video description below. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.